Here's where you can go to enable the water lock feature, which will prevent touching on your screen. So if you want to lock your screen from having any touches or anything like that, feedback and whatnot, you'll want to go ahead and turn this feature on for the time being. So I'll show you how to turn it on and how to disable it later on. To find this feature as quick as possible, use the quick access by swiping down from the very top while watching the clock face, and you'll just browse over and look for this sort of double teardrop icon here. Once you tap on this one time, you'll notice this icon here will appear on your watch, and it's gonna stay on the top right section here where the main power button is. Your power button is the one with the little orange highlight. I don't know if you can make that out there, but that's your main power button. So once this feature has been enabled, basically you cannot do anything. Pressing on the buttons won't do anything except it will show you this here to let you know that that's how you can go about disabling it. So now that you want to disable it, you're ready to get out of this touch lock feature, you'll hold down the power button here and wait for it to eject it out, or just disable it, I should say. So hold it down now. You'll see this here, turning off water lock. And then after that, it's gonna stop for you after you hear that tone sound. And you'll notice the icon is now gone, and you can now touch back your display. And you can repeat this if ever you need to do it, like and so.